Hey guys, it's InLifeStrill here for VideoHub.net, and welcome and thanks for buying my new template named Morpheus. And in this short video tutorial, I'll show you how you can customize most of its elements. So let's begin. First of all, the original template requires particular and optical flares, but I've included a pre-rendered version, the one that I've loaded now, which does not require any of those plugins, so you can enjoy all the visual effects without the need of expensive add-ons. So let's start. As you see, the template is built out of scenes, and each scene has a folder here on the left in the project panel. Modifying any element from of any scene can be done by changing its properties here on the left in the project panel, and I'll show you exactly how just in a minute. First of all, let's switch down the resolution to half and turn off the motion blur, since this will make our work much easier. And here we are in scene 1. We want to modify the main and the small titles. So scene 1, we find scene 1, here it is, scene 1, click it once, it will expand, and here you have two compositions simply named text and text 2. Double click those if you're using CS4 or CS5, or Alt double click them, or simply, no, never mind, just double click them. Here we are, text and text 2, each composition loads in a separate tab. So what you have is simply a text layer, double click it, it becomes editable, and type your own text. So this is text 1, and the second one, double click it, this is small text for scene 1. Let's name it like that. Switch back to the main composition to check the results, and here we are, text 1, and this is small text for scene 1. This is your new text updated. Let's make another example with scene 2. Let's find it. Scene 2, scene 2. Here it is, scene 2. Again, you have text and text 2. Now remember, those naming conventions apply for all of the other scenes. So again, shift select them, double click them, close the first two. And here are the new ones. This is scene 2. Now that's a great font. I've included the link so you can download it. It's actually a free one, so enjoy that. And this is small text for scene 2. Again, close the two tabs, and as you see, your footage is all updated. Now let's jump forward to a place where we have media holders, like scene 11, for example. Let's find it, scene 11. Here it is, scene 11. Again, you have text and text 2. Shift select, double click, retype scene 11, and small text for scene 11. Close those two. Where were we? Yeah, the text is done. Now's the time to replace that blue temporary solid that I've placed just for the example. So what you need to do is actually first import your footage. This is done by select the scene 11 folder, go file, import file, and pick any video or image from your computer. I'll select that video clip, and how to import it in its correct place. You have a composition named footage. This is pretty much all that it is. It will be seen for scene 12, 13, 14, 15. Those are actually the compositions that have placeholders in them. So double click the footage composition just as you double click the text compositions. As you see, it opens. It's simply a composition with the blue solid inside. Take your footage, hold the left mouse button and drag it on top of the blue solid, which can actually be deleted with the delete button since you won't be needing it anymore. Here's your footage, in our case it's a bit larger than the composition that I've set up, so I'll go right click, transform, fit to comp, and yeah, this is pretty much it, which will make it fit in the right place. So close the footage composition and let's crop a bit forward, and yeah, that's it. This is your footage, this is your text, and already ready to render. That's pretty much it, guys. Let me show you another cool feature that we have here. It's a color layer that is placed on top of all of the other layers. So simply select it and find the effect controls tab, which can be found here, effect controls, if it's actually hidden. So here we are, and we have a few color pickers right here. The main idea is to change the color here and have it updated throughout all of the elements in the composition. So let's make an example. We want the flares color, meaning those small flares which you see throughout all of the composition, to be not blue but to be, let's say, purple. And immediately you see, just with one click, that all of the flares in the template have been changed to match your desired color. The same can be done with the text color, first for the large text and then for the small text. Let's change that to blue and the small one to yellow, just for the example. I know it looks awful. So here we are, the text for all of the composition have been updated, and yeah, I guess you find that that's useful. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more great projects. Bye.